Banyak tamak tarik yang biar.
Anda taino yang
Kena macam mana? Yang bedi. Belah deh, belah merah merah.
Merah lagi nanya.
Benar, nah lagi. Kah?
Mana perlu berapa punya mana dia?
Mana apa ya?
Yang anak cing ada hitam. Buku nolam macam tu orang burang. Bentar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The tragic events of Simpang KKA May 3rd, 1999. The sequence of events on May 3rd, 1999 at Simpang KKA Aceh is well documented, including videos that show unarmed civilians being targeted and shot. Investigations have confirmed that the gunfire, which claimed Acehese lives, involved live ammunition, not rubber bullets as intentionally claimed. Despite the identities of both the perpetrators and the commanding officers being known, no arrests or trials have been taking place concerning the tragic incident. The Aceh Human Rights NGO Coalition has reported harrowing statistics. 46 civilians lost their lives, 156 were injured by gunshots, and 10 remain missing. Tragically, 7 victims were children. A year later, in the 2000s, the Independent Commission to Investigations Acts of Violence in Aceh was established under Presidential Decree Number 88/1999. The findings were as grim as the intentional reports. 99 civilians killed, including a 7-year-old child. 156 civilians sustained gunshot injuries. 10 civilians were reported missing. These findings are corroborated by trusted sources including Aceh Contras. We ASNLF, Aceh Sumatra National Liberation Front, together with the Cultural and Diaspora Communications of Aceh, demands that Indonesia be held accountable for these and all human rights violations in Aceh. It is imperative that these unresolved cases, especially the tragedy at the KKA intersection, be addressed. We urge international bodies to bring these cases to the International Criminal Court. Justice is overdue. Free Aceh!
Free Aceh!
Free Papua!
Free Papua!
Free Maluku!
Free Maluku!
Free Palestine!
Free Palestine!
Thank you.